Dear sir, this is your automatic bobbin winding machine. This machine is suitable for zipper tape and launching zipper. Now I will start the machine and show you. I will press this button. Now you can see when the zipper tape right here, it will turn back automatically. It depends on this block to control the position the zipper tape arrive. And this machine is suitable for two length of the bobbin. This one is the 400 mm, and later we will change the bobbin with length 800 mm.